In this video, I'll show you how to create new merge tags in Mailchimp. Now, a way for you to create new merge tags is by adding a new field. Now, in order for you to do that, simply head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the bottom, click on the sixth option, which is Audience. Now, once you are on the Audience section, head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, click on the three dots for more actions. And at the bottom, click on the second option, which is Audience Fields and Merge Tags. Now, once you do that, as you can see, we have here a custom tag, which is referral. I set a merge tag for the referral as referral. And in order for you to create that merge tag, head over to the top bar. On the right hand side, simply click on Create New Field. And from here, let's say we want to create a merge tag for sales. So on this field name, we will add sales number. At the bottom, we will set this as a number instead of a data type. And on the merge tag, let's just simply name this as a sales number. At the bottom, you can add a default merge tag value. We can just simply add sales. You can also set this field as required. I will leave it as not, as optional. And at the bottom in the right corner, click on save. And as you can see, we have created a new merge tag for this field. Now, this is what you need to do whenever you want to create new merge tags. You want to make sure that you have created a field in order for you to create a working merge tag. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.